Transcription. What does transcribing mean? Well, transcribing means copying. And what exactly are we copying? Well, we've got our DNA molecule here. And essentially what's happening is one strand of the DNA molecule is being converted into an RNA molecule. So just to remind ourselves, DNA is obviously a double helix structure. And we can see here that it's got two strands. Now, one of these strands is the coding strand. The coding strand, and that strand contains the original genetic material, you could say, within DNA. And the other strand is what we'd call a template strand. A template strand. And to highlight this, we'll just write out a base triplet. So say the coding strand had A, T, and G as its base triplet. On the same component or the same part, the template strand is going to have the base triplet T, A, and C. So it's essentially just a copy, an exact copy of the coding strand. So in transcription, which is one of the first components of protein synthesis, the template strand, this strand here, is being copied and turned into an RNA molecule. And which RNA molecule is it being turned into? Specifically, mRNA. Now, transcription itself has 3 steps, if you like. The first of these steps is something called initiation. And that's pretty self-explanatory, right? Initiating means just starting the process. The second step is called elongation. So once the process has started, the RNA strand is just becoming larger and larger. And then the last step is termination, when the whole process stops and the mRNA molecule is essentially finished. And there's one key enzyme that we want to be aware of, which is a key term in all of this, and that is something called RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase. And there's 3 types of RNA polymerase, but in transcription, it's specifically RNA polymerase 2, which we are concerned with. Now, transcription occurs inside the nucleus, which is why we've got a cell drawn here. So it occurs inside the nucleus, whereas translation occurs in the cytoplasm. So the mRNA actually needs to leave the nucleus in order to be translated into a protein in the cytoplasm.